Hello everyone, welcome to our online classes for class 7th mathematics students. As you know, we are continuing with exercise 4.4. Also we have learned till question 2nd. So today we will start from where? From question 3rd. So question 3rd is that solve the following. So we have to solve these statements. First statement is that Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. तो इरफान क्या कहता है कि मेरे पास इरफान और परमित दो फ्रेंड हैं। इरफान कहता है कि मेरे पास परमित के मार्बल्स जो हैं, मेरे पास इतने मार्बल हैं कि अगर परमित के मार्बल्स में का 5 टाइम करके उसमें 7 ऐड कर दिया जाए तो उतने मार्बल्स मेरे पास हैं। एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ गिवन दैट इरफान हैज़ 37 मार्बल्स, और इरफान के पास कितने मार्बल हैं? 37। ठीक है। सो हाउ मैनी मार्बल्स डज परमित हैव? सो वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मैनी मार्बल्स डज परमित हैव. Okay, we don't know how many marbles Parmit have. So first of all we will write third part. We are solving third question of first part of question 3rd. Okay, so given that number of Irfan's marble is equals to 37, it is given in question. Also let the number of Parmit's marble is equals to m. Okay, students, here we don't know the number of Parmit's marbles, so we will consider it. Okay, so we can take any number, any alphabet, and like as M, P, as you want you can take. Okay, so I have taken M. ठीक है, मान लेते हैं कि परमित के पास कितने मार्बल हैं? M मार्बल्स हैं. Now according to the problem, Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. ठीक है, तो हम इरफान के पास कितने मार्बल हैं कि परमित के मार्बल का 5 टाइम कर दिया जाए और उसमें 7 ऐड कर दिया जाए तो वो इरफान के मार्बल के इक्वल होंगे. ठीक है, सो इट विल बिकम, पर इरफान के मार्बल कितने गिवन है क्वेश्चन में? इट इज़ गिवन दैट नंबर ऑफ इरफान मार्बल्स इज़ 37. सो वी विल राइट हियर 37 इज इक्वल टू 5m plus 7. Okay, so we will write it in a proper way. So we will write here 5m plus 7 is equals to 37. So now it is in the form of an equation. We have convert the statement into an equation form. Now we will solve this equation because we have to find out the number of marbles Parmit has. Okay, and we have considered it as m, so we have to separate m. You know very well what to do. Two things we can do. First thing, we can transpose 7 from LHS to RHS, or as you can see here 7 is added, so we can subtract 7 both sides of this equation. So now subtracting 7 both sides. ठीक है, अब क्योंकि as you can see here 7 जो है प्लस साइन का है, तो हम क्या कर, 7 एडेड है तो हम यहाँ पर 7 माइनस कर देंगे दोनों साइड्स. ओके, सो we will write 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equals to 37 minus 7. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled out to each other, and 37 minus 7 will be 30. So we have now only 5m. 5m is equals to 30. Now as you can see 5 is also here, and we want to separate m completely. Okay, हमें जो m है बिल्कुल completely separated चाहिए, बिल्कुल अकेला चाहिए. ठीक है, so we have to remove 5 from here. So now as you can see 5 and m are in multiplication, so we will divide by 5. So now dividing by 5 both sides. Okay, so 5m upon 5 is equals to 30 upon 5. So 5 and 5 will be cancelled out to each other, and 5 6 are 30 we have. So m is equals to 6. So m की वैल्यू 6 आ गई, और m क्या था जो हमने माना था कि let the number of Parmit's marble is m, so it means it is the value of Parmit's marble. So students, we will write therefore Parmit has 6 marbles. Answer. Okay, so remaining part of question 3rd, students, you have to do by yourself. Okay, now look at that question 4. Question 4 is that solve the following riddle. Okay, now we have to solve the riddle. I am a number. मैं क्या हूँ? एक नंबर हूँ. टेल माई आइडेंटिटी, मेरी आइडेंटिटी बताइए, मेरी पहचान. टेक मी 7 टाइम्स ओवर एंड एड 50. और क्या कीजिए, मेरा 7 टाइम्स कीजिए. ठीक है, और उसमें मुझ में 50 ऐड कीजिए. टू रीच अ ट्रिपल सेंचुरी यू स्टिल नीड 40. और आपको 300 बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझ में जो आपने 50 ऐड किया था 7 टाइम्स करके, उसमें 40 भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड देन यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई हु आई एम. सो नाउ let us solve this question. Students, we are solving 4 question. Okay, so let us consider the number be x, क्योंकि नंबर जो है यहाँ पर है गिवन नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, जो गिवन नहीं होता है हम उसको कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. सो लेट अस कंसिडर द नंबर बी x. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉब्लम, टेक मी 7 टाइम्स ओवर एंड add a 50. So we will write it this is statement into a equation form. So we will write here 7x plus 50. Okay, take me 7 times over. ठीक है, 7 times over and add a 50 and add a 50. Okay, now to reach a triple century you still need 40. तो आपको ट्रिपल सेंचुरी बनने के लिए, मतलब ट्रिपल सेंचुरी मीन्स 100 एंड ट्रिपल मीन्स 300. मतलब ट्रिपल मतलब डबल होता है ट्वाइस. ठीक है, तो ट्रिपल हो जाएगा 3 इंटू 100. सेंचुरी मीन्स 100, ट्रिपल सेंचुरी मतलब 3 इंटू 100 मीन्स 300. ओके, सो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, टू रीच अ ट्रिपल सेंचुरी मतलब 300 बनने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू स्टिल नीड 40. तो जो जितना ये आया था इसमें हम आपको 40 भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो वी विल राइट हियर 7x plus 50 plus 40 is equals to 300. नाउ we cannot add 50 into 7x. so what to do students, नंबर जो given है उनको ऐड कर लीजिए. 50 and 40 will become 90. so we have 7x plus 90 is equals to 300. now we have an equation. now we have this statement in a equation form. and now what to do, you know very well, we have to separate the variable x and we have to find out the value of x. okay, so now subtracting 90 both sides. As you can see here, 90 is added in this equation. So we have to remove, first of all we have to remove 90 from here. So we because it is of plus sign, so we will subtract, because it is added to 7x, then we will subtract 90 both sides. So we will now subtracting 90 both sides. So we have 7x plus 90 minus 90 is equals to 300 minus 90, because whenever we apply any mathematical operation like subtraction, addition, division, so we will apply in LHS as well as in RHS. so here now 90 is of plus sign and this 90 of minus sign, so they will be cancel out to each other. and now we have 300 minus 90 also. so we have 7x only. 7x is separated and 90 is vanished from here. So 7x is equals to, now you can subtract 90 from 300. so we have 210. you can do it roughly. okay, you can do this calculation roughly. so we have 210. now as you can see 7x is here and they are in multiplication, and you know very well we have to separate x completely. so we have to separate x. first what to do, we have to remove 7 from here. so because 7 is multiplication in multiplication with x, so we have to divide by 7. so now dividing by 7 both sides. so we will write here 7x upon 7 is equals to 210 upon 7. so 7 and 7 will be cancelled out to each other, and we have 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21, and this 0 we will write here. so it will become 30. so x is equals to 30 we have. so student, then you will write here, therefore the number is 30. it will be answer. so now students, this exercise 4.4 has completed, and also this chapter has finished. so students, what we have learnt in this chapter? In this chapter we have learnt how to convert statements into equation form, and we have learnt what is an equation, how to solve the equation. okay, what is variable, how to find out the value of variable, and how to convert any statement in the equation form, and then how to find out the value. okay, unknown value, how to find the unknown value which is given in a statement. okay students, so we will meet in our next video and start new chapter. okay, do this work in your notebook and share your work Thank you.